Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, go into Apps and select Settings. Now scroll down, choose Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Xperia One. Over here you need to scroll down and click on Keyboard Skins. Then select the best one for you, I will go with pink one, by tapping on it. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into Play Store and download Keyboard app. Then open it. Now you need to select Enable in Settings, then click on the switcher next to Keyboard, choose OK in the pop-up, and tap on Select Input Methods. Now tap on Keyboard, choose Done, and click Home button. Over here you need to select Settings again, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, but this time tap on Keyboard. Over here you need to click on Theme and choose Show More to see all available ones. When you're ready, tap on one of those, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on and tap on Apply. And now as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done, enable or disable keyboarders by tapping on the switcher and choose Apply. And now as you can see, when I go back, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!